Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to install Jupyter Notebook on Windows using Miniconda. To install Jupyter Notebook, first we need to install Miniconda. For this, go to a browser and type Miniconda download and press enter. Click on the first link, anaconda.com. Here click on the link anaconda.com/download. On the anaconda.com download page, click on skip registration. Here in choose your download, make sure that Windows is selected. And here you will see two distributions. One is Anaconda distribution and other the Miniconda. So under Miniconda, click on the link Windows 64-bit graphical installer. Click on save. So this downloads the Miniconda exe. So the exe size is around 94 MB. And the download is in progress. Let's wait for it to get completed. Okay, so the exe is downloaded now. Next, we need to install it. So click on the folders icon. This will open the exe in File Explorer. So double click on the exe to install it. Here on the setup wizard, click on Next. Click on I agree for the license agreement. Keep the installation type as just me recommended. So this will install Miniconda only for the current user account and click on Next. Keep the default location, click on Next. Here do not check the box Add installation to path. Check the box Register Miniconda as default Python. Check the box Clear Package Cache upon completion. So this will clear the cache once the installation is complete. Click on Install. So now the installation has started. Wait for it to complete. So now the installation is complete. Click on Next. Uncheck both the checkboxes and click on Finish. So now Miniconda is installed successfully. Next, we need to launch Miniconda. So to launch it, go to the Start menu. Press Windows key. Here you can see recently added Anaconda PowerShell prompt and Anaconda prompt. So these are the Miniconda prompts. So here click on Anaconda prompt. So now we have launched Miniconda. So now we can verify if the installation was successful using the command conda space --version and press enter. So this should give conda along with the version. So this verifies that the installation was successful. Now we need to update conda. To update it, type the command conda space update space -n space base space -c space defaults space conda. So this command will update conda in the base environment. -n base is for the base environment via the default channel. So -c is for the channel. So type this command and press enter. So this will update conda. So it will ask you to accept the terms of service. Press A and press enter. So each time it asks to accept the terms of service, you need to accept it. So press A and press enter. Press A and press enter. Okay, so now the update has started. Wait for it to complete. It will ask to proceed. Press Y and press enter. So now the command is running again. So wait for it to complete. So now we need to create an environment. So before creating that, we are in the base environment. So here you can see base. So this is the default environment. Here first check for the version of Python which is installed. So type the command python space hyphen hyphen version and press enter. So here you can see Python 3.13 is installed. Now we need to create the environment. So to create the environment, type the command conda space create space hyphen n. Give the name of the environment. So let me give it as my env space. So here in this environment, we are going to install Python. So type Python equal to 3.11. So this is the command to create an environment, myenv, and to install Python in it with the version 3.11. So type this command and press enter. So now the command is running. Wait for it to complete. It is asking to proceed. So press Y and press enter. Wait for the command to complete. So now the environment is created. We need to activate it now. So type the command conda space activate space. Type the name of the environment. So it is my env and press enter. So this will activate the environment. So now the environment is switched to my env from base environment. Now we are inside this environment, my env. Now again type the command python space hyphen hyphen version and press enter. So here you will see the Python version 3.11. So in the base environment, the Python version was 3.13, and within the myenv environment, the Python version is 3.11. So this was the version of Python which we specified in the create environment command for the environment myenv. So now we need to install Jupyter Notebook. To install it, type the command conda space install space notebook and press enter. So this command will install Jupyter Notebook. It is asking to proceed, so press Y and press enter. The command is running now. Wait for it to get completed. So the command is successfully completed and Jupyter Notebook is installed. Now we can launch it. So to launch, type the command Jupyter space notebook and press enter. So this is the command to launch Jupyter Notebook. So now Jupyter Notebook is launched successfully in the default browser. So these are the steps we need to follow to install Jupyter Notebook on Windows using Miniconda. I have prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.